Alright, this is an Ardu in Lemon Grove, and this afternoon we put in this sidewalk with drainage in mind, and we keep the drainage in mind by putting in a slope away from the building, down along the curb, you can see, and then eventually winding up at this drain box right in front of the screen. And what we'll do is put rock over this area here, slope the ground out right up against the gutter over to this part here. This all gets dirt, and then we'll put rock in on top of this gutter. We could even put a piece of slotted pipe in on top of that little tiny gutter if we wanted to. And we've got all this room here to backfill, so it's looking pretty good.